Hello, welcome back to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Cincom Smalltalk Product Manager. Hidden Gems is where we show you capabilities of the product that you may not be aware about, but we think you would benefit from. Today's screencast is about Opentalk STST. As always, please send any comments, questions, suggestions, requests for the code to athomas@cincom.com. That's myself, Arden Thomas. So what is Opentalk STST? STST stands for Small Talk to Small Talk. And what it does, why would we use it? It allows simple access to objects that reside in another image. And that image can be on the same machine or on a remote machine. Why might we want that? Well, if we want to talk to an object that has data managed in another image or information created or managed in another image, this makes it easy to talk to that object and request that information. So we're going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to do is load the Opentalk parcel. Now, Opentalk has recently been upgraded. It's had a number of enhancements. That's why the parcel is called Opentalk 2-STST. Previously there were some limitations in the message size, and also the new Opentalk allows you to use secure communication. So a number of improvements in the new Opentalk. So let me show you where you'd load that. You'd simply come in here, load parcels named, and type in Opentalk, and you can select it right here and click OK. I already have this loaded, so I will cancel, and that will load what you need here. The next thing we're going to do is set up brokers in our two images. Now I have two images running, broker 1, which is green, and broker 2, which is red. So let's slide this over right here. Come to our green image. Here's our green and our red. So I can say broker red, request broker, new STST TCP at port. I'm going to use 4242. I create that, and then I start it. Now over here I actually have a little test. This creates a broker, the green broker, at port 4243, so different port, that's important. It starts it, and then it tries to ping the red image at 4242. And if that's successful, it should say contact up here. So let me highlight this and do it, and I can contact it. And note that it then stopped the green broker. So let's come back here. Actually, let's recreate our broker, and let's start it on the green side. So now I have my two brokers running. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my broker 2, my red, and make an object available. What I want to show you is a dictionary. So I'm going to create a dictionary. At the key answer, put 42. At the key time, put timestamp now. So I will highlight that and execute it. I can take a look at the dictionary by inspecting it. There's my answer, there's my time. Now here's the piece that makes it available. Broker red, object adapter, export the dictionary and call it, OID is object ID, call it information, and I will execute that. Okay, now it is available for others that I'm setting up to see. So the way I create access, I create a remote object by saying to my local broker, remote object to host, local host, because I'm on both these images are running on the same machine, port 4242, which is the red image, and the object ID is information. So I will highlight that and execute it. So now I have a remote object. And what do you think I'll get if I say answer? I can print it, and sure enough, I get 42. Since it's a dictionary, I can ask it for its keys, and the keys are answer and time, which is correct. I can ask it for its size. It has 2 objects, and at time, I can print that, and there's the timestamp I created in the other side. For proper house cleaning, we want to make sure before you close your images or you're done for the day, you want to shut down the... Remember this right here, I can put the cursor to the right of the text and then execute it, which works as well as highlighting it. So that is basically our walkthrough. What is it? Opentalk Smalltalk to Smalltalk. It allows access to remote objects, simple access we set up, and we communicated with that remote object just like it was a local object, which is Smalltalk simple, which is what we want. We showed you how to set that up, how to load the improved Opentalk parcel, set up our 2 brokers, make an object available in one of the brokers. And by the way, you can do that both ways. I can set up objects in green and access them from red. So it's not client-server, it is peer-to-peer. And then I can set that up and talk to the remote object. So if you'd like any of this information, any of the workspaces, I am happy to send you that. Simply contact me at athomas@cincom.com. Until next time, have a great time with Opentalk STST and Cincom Smalltalk. Thank you.